Lighting on location is actually simpler than shooting in the studio. I know you may not believe me, but let me show you how. This is the Location Lighting series. This series is for anyone wanting to master artificial light on location. Whether you're just starting or already experienced and want to improve your setup, I want to show you how I approach artificial lighting on location. So many photographers don't have their own studios, and I wanted to take that limitation away completely. This series teaches you how to handle any situation. No matter if you're shooting in full sun, overcast days, dappled light in a forest, or you're just trying to recreate natural light at an indoor location, we're going to show you the simple methods that I use to make magazine quality images anywhere. And it's so much simpler than you might imagine. Lighting on location can seem scary, and there's a lot of fear associated with taking ambient light and getting that really artificial look. I shoot with artificial light because it gives me the ultimate control, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The great thing about shooting on location is that you actually need less equipment than you do in the studio. A bunch of these videos I filmed using just a speed light and a modifier. Rather than relying only on natural light, this series gives you the tools to deal with any lighting situation you might find. Before I ever went into the studio, I was shooting on location using artificial light. If you've seen my work photographing on location, you know it just has that little bit of an edge that sets it apart. I'm going to show you the simple ways I use to make images that your clients will love and that will help you stand out from the crowd.